Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and our today's video topic is inheritance in Java. So let us first discuss what we are going to cover in our today's topic. So today we are going to cover what is inheritance, then the type of inheritance and the explanation. So let us start with what is inheritance in Java. So basically inheritance is one of the most important fundamental concept of object oriented programming system that is OOPS concept. There are total 4 OOPS concept. They are inheritance, abstractions, interface and encapsulation. So today so we will see inheritance today. So inheritance in Java is a mechanism uh, in which one object can acquire all the properties of the parent class, that is parent class. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that we can is that we can create a new classes that are built upon existing classes. When we use the when we use the uh, existing class, we can acquire all the properties and the field of the field of the parent class. Moreover, add we can also add methods and fields in your current in our current class. Inheritance represent a relationship that is called as relation parent class relation. Parent parent class is also called as superclass, and child class is also called as subclass, where child class or subclass can acquire all the properties of the parent all the properties of the parent. The main purpose to use inheritance in Java is the main purpose to use inheritance in Java is for method overloading and for code reusability. We can reuse the code by using inheritance. The syntax of the Java inheritance is extend keywords. We use extend keyword to acquire the properties of the parent class to the child class. So by using extend keyword we can inherit the classes. There inherit the classes, and after that in the main method we use to create the object of the uh, parent class, so that we can acquire the properties of parent class as well as child class. In this way we use inheritance in Java. So let us discuss the types of inheritance in Java. So basically there are 5 types of inheritance in Java. They are: first one is single inheritance, the second one is multiple inheritance, the third one is multi-level inheritance, the fourth one is hierarchical inheritance, and the last one is hybrid inheritance. So so in single inheritance we create two we create the two classes and class A extends class B. But in multiple inheritance create we can create more than two classes and they are extended to the next one. So in this way multiple level is level inheritance is achieved in Java. So in this the, and mostly multi level inheritance is used in Java. So this is all about inheritance in Java. Thank you.